Introducing the Z Plus 2U Compact Programmable Power Supply from TDK Lambda. The Z Plus is available in 200 and 400 watt models and can be bench or rack mounted with up to 6 units in a 2U 19-inch rack. It has reliable encoders with coarse and fine modes for voltage and current adjustment and simple parameter setting menus accessed via the front panel controls. Z Plus has USB, RS232 or 485 and analog interfaces as standard. Optional LAN, GPIB and isolated analog interfaces. 16-bit resolution with fast programming response and onboard dynamic preload. Built-in arbitrary function generation and storage, and 2 user-programmable output signal pins. Z Plus is available with outputs up to 100 volts DC, has variable speed cooling fans, and is backed by a 5-year warranty. Z Plus suits a wide range of applications, including test and measurement, ATE and scientific research, laser diode and heater supplies, RF amplifiers and electromagnets. Z Plus from TDK Lambda, the next generation of programmable power. Find out more by visiting our website.